Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming my makeup collection. I'm just filming this for myself because I am going to be changing up my makeup area, and I kind of just want this as a memory of this is what it started off as on my channel, and this is what it's been like for a really long time. In no way am I bragging or making this video to show off everything that I have, but honestly, I mean, I got one person that requested it, let's be real. Keep in mind that this is makeup that I've accumulated over the years. I used to work in the beauty industry. I used to do makeup, like people's makeup professionally. And now I don't have an excuse other than I love to try out new makeup and new skincare. If you guys are new here, hi, hello, my name is Jen. I make beauty and lifestyle videos. I upload every Tuesday and Friday, so if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I'm going to be updating and changing my makeup area, which is why I'm kind of documenting what it looks like now. And I did do a full clear out at the beginning of quarantine, which was probably like 6 or 7 months ago. So this is all pretty current makeup, and I got rid of so much makeup that was expired and old and just stuff that I didn't use. Two things before I go ahead and show you my makeup collection. One is I do use my vanity desk as my makeup desk, and as well as my work from home desk, since I am still working from home, which has been really convenient because when I have to take video calls, I have the perfect lighting for my video calls. So I did clean up this up a bit. Usually, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty messy. But I didn't clean up the rest of like my makeup area because that's just not me. Like, it's not perfect all the time. So I wanted to show you guys right now because I know for a fact there are just a lot of things that are not where they're supposed to be. So, and that's just how I use my makeup. So let's go ahead and look into my makeup collection. All right, so this is just my vanity overview. I have just an IKEA desk with a glass tabletop on top, and then some 10-drawer IKEA Alex drawers over here. Let's start off with the right side of my vanity is my skincare. So let's start off with this bin. I think I've talked about it in a vlog before. This is like my catch-all bin just to kind of keep my vanity from getting crazy, even though it still does. I just filmed a video, which is why there's tons of products in here. So I use it after I film a video. I just throw all my products in here because I know, knowing me, I'm not going to put them away right away. So I just throw them in a bin so that I can clean it up later. Or I will use this bin for new products, which is right here. I have a few new products that I need to try out, which is why I left them out so that I know to try them and use them. Here I just have like a lint roller, eye drops, contact solution. So the top looks crazy and I want to find a new way to organize all this, but I have some hair care, and this is pretty much all of the skincare that I currently use. And in these drawers, this one is random. It's lip products. Because I used to have makeup in this, but then I decided I have a lot of skincare sheet masks, so that's what I did. These are just some random masks, and then these drawers have some like eye patches, my jade roller, some more face masks, and some more face masks. These are my dirty reusable cotton rounds, so I need to wash them because I have no more to use. These are what I keep my cotton rounds in. I have some brush cleaner and then my little skincare headband, my phone holder. In this little swivel thing, I have, when I had eyelash extensions, things for my eyelash extensions, as well as some face masks that I'm using right now. And some more over there. I have this box, which I actually used to put my laptop on so that it's raised. I know. It's just a box. I should probably get something a little bit better, but it's what's been working for me. And then I have my blue light lens glasses, and then just my regular lens glasses. I have my Ricky Loves Ricky mirror, which I absolutely love. And then hidden behind it, I have my makeup brushes and then some new products that I need to try that I purchased. Next up we have the left side of my vanity, which houses kind of more of my everyday makeup. So this is random because these are just brushes. I don't know where to put them. And then pens because, you know, I'm working right now. These are actually a lot of products that I love and I'm using right now, but I don't have anywhere else to put them. So they're just sitting here. The top houses my setting sprays, primers, and then face makeup that I'm currently using and loving. And then behind it is a bunch of pencils. So these are lip pencils, lip crayons, and then some eyeshadow crayons that I don't really use. This top drawer is a bunch of products that I love to use, but I don't use it on a daily, like my crease shadows, some eyeliners. This drawer kind of doesn't make any sense anymore, but I know where everything is, you know? This drawer is my everyday drawer slash favorites drawer. So my eyebrow powder, contour, powder, foundation, Makeup by Mario, eyeshadow palettes, and primer, my eyebrow stuff. So I really only like touch my eyebrow stuff nowadays, but everything else is just stuff that I typically grab for when I'm getting ready. This next drawer houses a bunch of eyebrow products that honestly, a lot of these I haven't touched in a while, but there are anything from brow gel, brow pencils, brow powder, etc. This drawer is eyeliners and eyeshadow primers that I don't really use, but a bunch of different colored eyeliners. This drawer is like my random, it's like your junk drawer, but for your vanity. It has like nail files, nail clippers, eye drops, etc. Over here is a bunch of stuff that I don't really touch. This is like so random. This is some lip glosses, brush cleaner, eyeshadow pigments, and then some bases like cream bases. Alright, and moving on to my Alex drawers. My first drawer has a bunch of lipsticks. So the first drawer has a bunch of lipsticks, and these containers are from the Container Store, I believe. This next drawer is liquid lipsticks. So I have my go-to lipstick bag in here. There's a couple of random mascaras, but these are the only two other ones that I have. These are some more tube lipsticks that didn't fit on the top, but these are categorized into nudes and pinks, and these containers are so useful. These containers are from Target, and they were like 3 for like $5 or something like that, and they come in different sizes, you'll see, but I like them because they're bendy and they're easy to clean. The third drawer is powders. So I have a bunch of loose powders from Laura Mercier, some Smashbox, these are some MAC, Cover FX, and then these are some pressed powders from MAC as well. And then I have some random loose powders in the back. This next drawer is blushes. So as you can see, this doesn't really have a home, but this is new. These are all blushes. Again, these containers are from Target and just categorized by brand, not color, and then just some random long blushes that wouldn't fit in the containers. I have them on the side, and then I have a bunch of Benefit blushes in the back because those wouldn't fit here as well. Next drawer we have one of my favorites, which is highlighters and bronzers. So these ones over here are bronzers, and then everything over here are highlighters. And as you can tell, I am overflowing with highlighters, and some of them are just like weird shaped, so I just stuck them on the side. And then I have some bronzer highlighter palettes in the back, actually quite a few, so those are tucked away in the back because these drawers don't come out all the way. There's a good amount of space back there. You guys can see, well, you guys can't really see, but there's a bunch of palettes, so the drawer goes pretty deep back there. As you can see, one of the palettes I have back there is this one, so there's a lot of space back there, which is why I tend to put palettes back there and then just have everything organized up here. The next drawer, wow, this looks like a mess. Let me just explain here. We have an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter palette. I was looking for this, a bronzer, and this is the eyebrow tint. This drawer is foundations, primers, some under eye setting powders, concealers, and more concealers, some foundation palettes in the back. And so honestly, this drawer, it does get opened, but I have my favorites on my countertop, which is why these don't really have a home. So I just stick it on top because I know it's there. Plus this bronzer is huge. Like, where am I supposed to put this? So that's why that drawer is like that. The next drawer is also an organized mess. We have a couple new palettes, some more eyeshadow palettes, this random Ofra highlighter palette that has one highlighter in it, which is like my favorite. And underneath, we have a bunch of single shadows and then small eyeshadow palettes. And you will soon see that my eyeshadow palette drawer is pretty full, which is why I store a few of my newer eyeshadow palettes in here. So this is my last makeup drawer, and it has a bunch of eyeshadow palettes in here. As you can see, there's a hair, but just a bunch of eyeshadow palettes, and it goes way back. So this one is packed to the brim. Actually, I could probably fit a couple more, but this drawer is pretty heavy, which is also why it's at the bottom. But yeah, a lot of eyeshadow palettes. So this last drawer is a bunch of skincare and backups. So I have a couple Juno & Co sponges, my teeth whitener, a bunch of skincare that is new or just things that I haven't gotten around to trying yet. Some rhinestones. And then this bag has a bunch of skincare as well. And that about wraps it up for my makeup collection. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment down below if you guys have any questions on certain products or anything, because I know I didn't touch on every single product that I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys! My foot. These are categorized into these drawers. Oops. Hello. Before we start on two things, before I go ahead and start, is skincare. Oops. Oh my god.